And although we are going to face big cuts from Westminster, we also have to make sure that Wales is properly governed for the next 5 years. That's why we're putting our emphasis on creating 50,000 jobs right across Wales through our Build for Wales company. We will not let these Westminster cuts destroy our ambition for Wales. We want to create these jobs through this company that we will establish. We also want to make sure that our failing education system is properly looked after by raising standards in education, making sure that our young people have the skills that are necessary to find themselves in the world of work. Yes, we will need to make sure that these Westminster cuts don't affect us in Wales. We must stand up for Wales, but more than that, we must offer the people of Wales a beacon of hope against those cuts. And we in Plaid Cymru will be making sure that the next government in the Assembly delivers on the promises we make to create jobs, to raise standards in education, and to make sure that we have decent health service. That's why tomorrow we're asking the people of Wales to vote Plaid Cymru to get that positive, ambitious government for the people of Wales.